Chydig o awyr iach sy'n dechrau'r diwrnod I fi. Clirio'r pen ben bora. Trio cadw'n iach. Wedyn, wel, mae'r commute i'r gwaith wedi bod yn fyr iawn. Stop yn y gegin ar y ffordd I wneud panad I fi'n hun. Wedyn, setlo lawr am y diwrnod ymlaen I. Ie, fan hyn dwi wedi bod yn byw ac yn gweithio am y flwyddyn ryfeddol diwetha yma. It's hard to believe after this extraordinary year that we are now into the last week of this 5th Senedd. And it's a busy week ahead, I think. Mi oedd hi'n ddiwrnod o gyfarfodydd y gwaith etholaeth, cwarfod efo tîm yn swyddfa fi, grŵp trawsbleidiol muscular dystrophy, briefing am y coleg meddygol dwi isio Mangor ag am 6 o'r gloch, un o uchafbwyntiau ar wythnos. Croeso I sesiwn Facebook Live ar nos lun arall. Very warm welcome to you all to another Monday evening Facebook Live session. Yeah, I really am grateful to everybody that's been logging on to those sessions. They've been very valuable to me in terms of understanding your concerns over the past year, and they've been fun too, so thank you. I wish I could say it's a great way to end the working day on a Monday. Unfortunately, Monday evening has been quite often a very, very late working night for me, so I'm very sorry if you've been receiving some email responses from me at some pretty unearthly hours. Oops. Ar ôl bore prysur dydd Mawrth, pwyllgor safonau'r Senedd, cwarfod y grŵp Plaid Cymru, y briefing wythnosol am y pandemig efo'r gweinidog iechyd a'i swyddogion. Mae'n amser paratoi am gyfarfod llawn y Senedd. We may all be at home, but it's still good to put on a tie to go into the virtual Welsh Parliament downstairs. The logging on process to enter the Senedd session is one I've done many times now, and I can't praise enough the IT team that makes it all happen.
Hi, Irene, ti'n iawn?
So, Shane. Yma agenda reid llawn, a hynny'n union flwyddyn ers dechrau'r cyfnod clo cyntaf. Mae'n gyfle I fi gyfeirio at hynny wrth ymateb I ddatganiad ar y rheoliadau Covid diweddara. Diolch am dripri Lywyd. Mae'n diwrnod o fyfyrio ac o gofio. Mae wedi bod yn flwyddyn anodd I bawb ac yn eithriadol o boenus I lawer. Dwi, mi ydyn ni yn cyd-ymdeimlo efo nhw heddiw ac unwaith eto yn deud diolch I bawb sydd wedi gofalu amdana ni a helpu I cymunedau yn y flwyddyn rhyfeddol. The day finishes with an online hustings organised by Age Cymru. It's always good to discuss policy matters in detail. It is Wednesday morning, and the blue skies, beautiful day. I'm in Holyhead. We've got a late sitting evening in the Senedd this evening, so I thought I'd take a few hours to myself this morning. But I have agreed to come and volunteer handing out testing kits door to door in the Holyhead area, all part of the pandemic effort. Glad to be able to give a few hours of my time. I wonder how this goes this morning. Makes a nice change, actually. So we're given our instructions and off we go, door to door, delivering tests, asking people to take part. Me and another volunteer who I met for the first time, Jackie. And there we are, Jackie, my buddy for this experience today. Thank you, Jackie. There we are, job done, off to the Senedd, where I was able to put the morning's experience to good use. Mae yna broblema yn ardal Merthyr Tydfil ac yn y etholaeth I'n digwydd bod. Mae eisiau cefnogi'r ardaloedd hynny rwan. Mi oedd yna dîm da wirfoddolwyr allan yng Nghaergybi y bore ma'n rhannu profion Covid o dŷ I dŷ, o'n I yn un ohonyn yn digwydd bod. Ond mi o'n bryder I fi bod proses fel yma, un, yn orddibynnol ar wirfoddolwyr, a dau yn rhoi straen aruthrol ar adnoddau staffio awdurdod lleol. Mae'n bwysig bod Llywodraeth yn dysgu drwy'r amser a gobeithio bod yn profiad ni'n Ynys Môn yn gallu helpu I gryfhau'r ymateb I Covid ym mhob rhan o Gymru. Dyna oedd yn apel i'r gweinidog. Thursday morning, it's back at my desk for one of my weekly surgeries. Time to chat with constituents to see how I can help with various issues. Then I pop out for my once-a-week shopping expedition, including a chance to say hello to my actual office on the way past. and then one last Senedd session as I chair my final annual general meeting of the Wales branch of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association. And then something I haven't done in a long time. The need to tie up some pre-election loose ends means a late night's drive down to Cardiff.
Felly ydw dwi'n ôl yma yng Nghaerdydd. Prin di bod yma ers blwyddyn erbyn hyn. Dwi wedi clirio'r swyddfa, spel o waith i wneud pnawn yma, wedyn yn ôl am Ynys Môn. Got a busy month ahead of me. I can't believe it's been 5 years since the last election, but I'll certainly see you around the island between now and May the 6th.